Hello children, today I will make paper bridge in front of you. For this you just need a paper and 3 glasses. So first of all, let's just fold this paper like this and place it in between any 2 glasses. And place the third one in the center, and let's see if that paper will be able to lift this glass or not. Now we'll make bridge using this paper. Fold this paper like this. And now repeat the same thing. Now place this glass on top of it. As you can see, now the same paper is able to lift this glass because of the resistance. So if you fold this paper, the resistance will increase, and that will be able to lift more amount of weight in comparison to the plain paper. So go, try and make your own paper bridge.